So I was perusing my local hardware store, and they had some toolboxes on sale, and I looked at those. Don't really need them, but they had accessories next to them. Tool drawer separators and tool drawer protectors for the bottom of your toolbox. So they're pretty expensive, in my opinion. I do have some protectors in mine, but a cheap way of separating your tools is just using cardboard. So here I just have a piece of cardboard cut to fit. It's folded on the ends, and I taped it on. And these have been my separators for a long time. Here's my non-metric section. So I got my wrenches on one side, my sockets on the other. I do have the rubber mat on some of these drawers. So here's my metric, just a folded piece of cardboard with rubber mat on the bottom. Here are my screwdrivers. Of course, I have more flat blade than Phillips, as usual. Just folded the cardboard and taped it both sides. And then on my bigger drawer, I was experiencing some rusting with metal on metal, so I just have a piece of cardboard on the bottom. This drawer doesn't. So there you go. The separators for like $16, and the mat was like $10 or something. And there's only enough to do a few drawers. So with some cardboard boxes and duct tape, you could separate your tools and protect your drawer bottoms from rusting.